Julian, you have to be safe with this rifle. It's a 22 lever action Henry. You have to be safe with it. You always have to point it in a safe direction. Okay? Never point at anything you don't want to shoot. It means targets or animals or in self-defense. Never point it at anything you don't want to shoot. And consider this gun always loaded no matter what. If I bring it to you and I say, Julian, this gun is not loaded, I checked, you check yourself anyway, right? Because you never trust anybody about that. You want to do it for yourself, okay? And we've talked about this many times when we shot, so we just had to have a refresher course. Okay, now push that lever down and put a bullet in the chamber. Now just pull the lever down. There you go. Okay, we'll have to work on your technique there. All right, aim at the coffee can, and when you're ready, squeeze. Okay, now leave your left hand on the gun and cock it with your right hand. Okay, pull it back up. Good job. Now remember, put the bead inside that notch on the back sight and put that bead and back sight on your target, the coffee can. This old coffee can we picked up in off the river. Okay, good one. Shoot again. You hit it. A little low. Put that all on there. Okay, cock it. Action. Remember, don't put your finger on the trigger until you're ready to fire. Good job. Got another hole in the can. Okay. Good job. Hit it again. Is this a fun gun to shoot, Julian?
Yeah.
Put your hand right. There you go. There you got better grip on the gun. Good job. Good job. Boy. Dead eye here. You're going to be great in the Marines. Oh, right on top of the other. Boy, you got them grouping now. Good job. Okay, make it safe, make sure there's none in it. Jack it one in again. Look around, you don't see it? So it's clear? Okay. Maddox, this is a Henry 22 lever action rifle. It's a deadly weapon. It's dangerous. You have to treat it like it is. Don't ever point this gun at anything you don't want to shoot. Don't point it in the directions of people. Don't shoot at things that it may ricochet off of, or shoot in the water because it could ricochet. Just respect this rifle and it'll respect you. Also, you have to be safe with it at all times. Consider it always loaded, no matter what. If your dad gives it to you and says it's unloaded, don't trust him. You check to see if it's loaded, right? Fire. Put another one in there, load it. Good job. Fire when ready. Good job. I don't know if you did it long enough there. Yep, do it again. Good job. Keep your fingers off the trigger until you're ready to shoot. Okay.
Again.
Do it again. You're getting a little ahead of yourself. You got your fingers on the trigger. Don't do that. There you go. Nice place to come out here and shoot. There's lots of big whitetail out here. various other critters, coyotes, beaver, turkey, lots of turkey, quail, pheasant, little pheasant. This is a good place. We're having a little camp out here tonight. Jillian, how do you like this 22 Henry rifle?
I love it. It's great to shoot, and it's better than a BB gun.
And can you handle it easily?
Yes.
And you're how old? 12?
12.
Be 13 next spring, right?
Next April.
April, spring, yeah. And you really like it, huh? And this Winchester ammo you're shooting in it, is it really good ammo?
Yes.
It's very dependable, do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Because your great-grandpa used to use, great-great-grandpa used Winchester ammo. Grandpa and your dad and then Uncle Clinton also uses Winchester ammo. It's great 22 ammo. What else can you say about this rifle that you like about it? How about the recoil?
It's not like whenever you shoot it, it doesn't push your shoulder back or
Doesn't kick? And it's not very loud. Of course you got your headphones on, but it's not loud, is it?
No.
Okay, and it loads easily, don't you think? Dad
Yeah.
loading it for you? Okay. You're really a big fan of Henry rifles, aren't you?
Yes.
And when you get older and you get bigger, you want to buy your own Henry rifles, big bore rifles for hunting.
Yes.
Okay. What do you think about this Henry 22 lever action boys rifle?
I think it's really, really powerful, and I think you could really damage stuff with it.
Really? But you're going to shoot safely with it, right?
Yes.
You just damage target stuff. Maybe someday you maybe go hunting for squirrels and rabbits, maybe? Is the kick in it, the recoil, not bad? When you shoot it, does it kick you, the rifle?
Kinda.
Does it push you?
It pushes my,
Shoulder a little bit?
yeah.
Maybe you should hold it to your shoulder tighter. And then, and all the bullets, those Winchester 22s you shot, they shot real well, do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, and then, remember, of course, that you always have to be safe with it, right? Don't point it in anybody's direction. Don't shoot at anything you don't want to shoot. You know, don't point anything you don't want to shoot.
Yeah.
Always make sure that it's empty. Don't take anybody's word for it that it's unloaded, right? You make sure it's unloaded. Okay, you having fun out here today in the sandbar in our man night out camping, shooting extravaganza?
Yeah. Having real fun with my uncle,
Okay, and Dad?
dad, brother.
Hi, it's my Warriors and Sheepdogs. We're out here on the family farm by the Arkansas River, Kansas. Lots of deer, turkey, a lot of turkey, lots of deer, coyotes, quail, beaver, you name it, it's out here. Except for larger predators, we don't hardly ever see it. Occasionally a mountain lion comes through from South Dakota, but anyway, we're out here shooting this Henry 22 lever action rifle, youth rifle, boys lever action 22. My two nephews are shooting it. Jillian and Maddox gave a testimonial of how well they love this gun. Jillian is especially 12. He's really, really excited about it. I'm sure to give many years of satisfaction, and maybe their boys can shoot it someday. So anyway, it's certainly a quality enough rifle that'll go on for generations. Right now I'm going to shoot this short little gun here. It's got a shorter stock. See how fast, if it shoots fast, you know, if it doesn't have any jams and stuff like that. Make sure your tube's in there good and you won't have any problems. I would say it doesn't have any problems feeding. So it's a great little gun. It's a great gun for your young shooters. It's got a beautiful American walnut stock. It's all made in the United States of America by United States of American workers. I highly recommend this for your youth shooters. Highly recommend.